See?
Alright, so I just want to check the Altezza and the clutch, bro. Try it now.
How's the first look, bro? Do you like the rear bumper?
Don't move it. Don't move it.
No, it's gonna come down. We just like temporarily just put it in. It does fit good.
Good job.
Good job, man. I want you to put this
imagine it. But bro, honestly, I like the front, yeah, a lot. The front looks really hot.
Aggressive. Looks aggressive now, right? Before Michael, like I said, look cute, right? Cute.
Now looks like those
badass.
GTA mods.
Like, yeah, man.
Now
Now it looks like
Need for Speed.
you know how a kid
bro,
becomes.
I just realized Need for Speed. I think I have this bumper.
It doesn't matter, bro. Listen to what I'm gonna say, man. You just cut me off in the middle. You know how I was driving like I'm a 13-year-old kid, and it said,
now you're driving like
when,
a 15-year-old.
No, suddenly puberty hits. That's me, man, right there. All the chicks are gonna slide in my DMs, man.
Yeah, he's single, guys.
Single guys.
6.
They don't need my phone number. They got the comment section. Oh yeah.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Don't forget to comment down below. What do you guys think about this cheap ass Replica kit? Actually, it's really cheap though. It's not expensive.
It has IG on it. It says.
How do you know which one is left and right?
Sand. You care, buddy?
This is the part number. Oh, wait, no. Wait.
Nope.
It's the other way around. Yeah. This one should be here. Bro, can you unlock this side door? Oh, you're gonna scratch that badly. You're gonna scratch that.
What?
Because it's gonna slip or slide or whatever you call it. And
shut up.
You know, right now I don't have the money to paint it yet, so please be nice. Why are you laughing?
Can you close the door?
Bus.
Are you gonna close the door?
Yeah, you can.
Actually, you can put side skirt right now. Though.
But yeah, a rough look of how the car is gonna look. So you guys can look from the front. It's got some vents right here for the intercooler and all. And these are the daytime running lights. Comment down below if I should buy them and run them or no. Why is this headlight more up than that? I don't know. But and then you guys can come to the side. Imagine a girl looking, wow, so nice. And then come to the side. Woo, even better. And then the main part is the rear, the ass gotta look nice, Perfect. Why is it hanging? Like, just imagine it's mounted on. And it's like looking all sexy and ready for a show.
Got you.
Yeah, bro. You got me, And then now who's gonna buy me some 180 SX tail lights?
Yeah, we're broke. We're gonna put a link down in the description below to donate.
GoFundMe.
Fetish.
Alright, man. So what do we do now? Do we take it all off and put it back in the box?
I think that's what we should do.
You wanna mount it now?
No, bro. It's too off.
Alright guys, the next clip you guys are gonna probably see is this rolling on the street with the whole kit on and big boy riding a cool. I'm excited, man. I'm excited.
Yeah!
Oh, imagine for the montage, I'm gonna change these to white as well. So white. Let me show them. Let me show them the fresh meat. What the fuck is that?
Front one?
Fresh meat. Oh yeah, man, here.
Me too, man. Where's that?
Bling, bling. Fresh meat for me to.
For you to what?
I don't know, but now I feel like if I'm gonna install that kit, I'll be scared to drift, bro.
Obviously. Yeah, we play poker as well,
Alright guys, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever, I don't know what to say, yeah, bye.